If you recall, back in April, I decided to get dji's Osmo Action Camera for my helmet cam. Here's an update on my choice. All is not good. I got my helmet cam all together. I'm going to go out and see how everything looks on a little short ride. Let's see if I got this mount on here well. A lot of construction going on out in West Little Rock, Arkansas. Sound is going well. I hope it's recording like it's supposed to be. It's hard to tell. I got to get this down. Oh, hippie biker here, trying to figure out what's going on. Why did it sound so bad before? And I think maybe it's because I didn't have the wind reduction on. But if I'm over modulating, I don't know how I'm going to be able to control that. Right through the neighborhood. Well, this is sound check number 3. Gotta see what I gotta do. Just don't know what I'm going to do if this doesn't work as it should work. I know my voice isn't getting that crackly. But we shall see. I reposition the microphone, pointing back up. It's going to be a bit closer to my mouth, but I turn the sound level down. And I don't know if this is that mic adapter. I don't know what else I can do about it. Now you're wondering what my conclusion is going to be. Well, it's actually going to be after this current ride I'm on. But it's obvious that the reason why people are not using the dji Osmo Action Camera as a helmet cam camera when they want to do voice, be able to talk at the same time they're recording, and it's because of overmodulation. That mic adapter that you can get for the Osmo Action doesn't seem to do a very good job, and this media mod, oh, by the way, I'm using my GoPro 8 Black, and if any of you that have been following me, which many people didn't watch the video about what I did concerning when I did the unboxing of the Osmo Action Camera, and I spoke about having problems with my GoPro 8 Black freezing, and I had to send it off to get a replacement. Well, this is the replacement. I don't know if I'm going to continue to have that freezing problem. We shall see. I've got some other ideas what's causing it. Maybe the overheating of the battery for having prolonged use. But anyways, to get back to the matter of the fact, I've come to the conclusion the Osmo Action Camera does not make a very good camera for a helmet cam if you're planning on talking while you're riding. And so we're back to the GoPro 8 black, and we're going to see how this does. If you like this video, hit like. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And while you're at it, hit the notification button so that you won't miss any of my exciting videos that come out in the future. Hippie Biker, the Salivigant, sending out blessings. Until the next time, bye-bye.